Hello everyone. So in order to add table of content, first of all we need to define main headings and the subheadings. In the Hope tab, you will see heading 1. So you will select the text as main heading and then click on heading 1. And if there is subheading, then you will select it and mark it as heading 2.
Now I will be selecting heading and main headings for the rest of my document.
After selecting main headings and subheadings, go to the reference tab and click on table of contents and choose the style of table of content. When you click on it, your table of content will be updated. Now we will see how we can add table of content for the figures and tables. At first, we need to select the figure, right click on it and go to the option which says insert caption. So when you click on it, make sure for the figure it is labeled as figure. So I will select it as figure and then name it and press OK. In this way, figure caption is generated. The same we will do it for the tables. Click the table, right click on it and then go for the insert caption. For the tables, make sure that the labels are for table and press OK. After doing this, go to the table of content, generate list of figures, go to the reference option and here you will see insert table of figures. Click on it and for the figures make sure that the caption labels are selected as figure and press OK. It will automatically add the figure. Similarly, for the table, add list of tables, go to the insert table of figures, this time select table and then press OK. So it will add figures and tables. Now we will see how to update the table of content. At first, define new headings, figures and tables as explained previously. After adding the new headings and tables and figures, again go to the table of content, click on update table. It will ask you whether you want to update page numbers only or you want to update entire table. Select update entire table and press OK. So it will add the conclusion for this. Update list of figures and tables. Go to the reference option. Place your cursor in the figure list and click on update table. Select entire table. It will update the figure and similarly do for the table. In this way you can create a table of content for the list of figures and for the list of tables. Thank you very much for watching. If it solves your problem, don't forget to subscribe the channel.